Chronic kidney disease, also known as chronic kidney
Yeah,
failure,
chronic
involves the gradual
kidney
loss of
disease.
function nephrons,
Obiara
therefore
nhwɛ
the loss
na
of kidney
ɔmfɛ
functions.
mmoaba.
But
It is
before we continue
important
with
for you
chronic
to
kidney disease,
understand
let's
that your
quickly
kidney
refresh our knowledge on what the kidneys actually do.
is
An
very
easy way to remember
important.
all of the
Therefore,
functions of
keep
the
it
kidneys
well.
is by using the mnemonic
Learn
A,
and
wet,
share this
bed,
video.
which stands for A, acid and base
Learn
balance or
and
pH
share
balance,
this
W,
video.
water balance, E, electrolyte
Please take
regulation
note.
or ion
Your
regulation such as
kidney
sodium, potassium, calcium, phosphate, etc.
should be well kept.
Eliminating nitrogen-based toxins such as urea,
Learn
blood
and
pressure
share this
regulation,
video.
the
Thank you.
production of erythropoietin or EPO to help make new red blood cells, and finally D, vitamin D or the activation of vitamin D. So the way that the kidneys can perform all of these functions is by the action of the functioning unit called the nephron. Each kidney has approximately 1 million nephrons. Each nephron filters the blood, reabsorbs important substances back into the blood, and everything else is excreted via the urine. So in chronic kidney disease, where we see the progressive and permanent loss of nephrons, we're most commonly due to poorly managed hypertension and diabetes mellitus. Once around 80% of nephron function is lost, we start to see the clinical manifestations associated with chronic kidney disease. For instance, we start to see urea building up in the blood due to the loss in eliminating toxins within the body. This results in nausea, loss of appetite, pericarditis, increase in bleeding due to the loss of the function of the platelets, and encephalopathy, which results in tremors, coma, and finally death. Increase in potassium in the blood due to the loss of regulation of electrolytes, and this can result in dysrhythmias. Weak bones due to the loss of regulating calcium and phosphate, but also the activation of vitamin D. Anemias due to the reduction in release of EPO. Increase in hydrogen or metabolic acidosis due to the reduction in acid-base regulation. The retention of sodium and water within the body due to water and electrolyte balance disturbances. This can result in edema and fluid within the lungs. And finally, high blood pressure due to a high release of renin and the activation of the RAS pathway.